In front of me is Redmi 14C, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit additional settings. Then choose one-handed mode. Use this switcher to activate it, and then to access it, follow all of those instructions. So I have to swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. So to go back, you can click on this area at the top, or simply swipe up. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!